Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealth Grid. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload YouTube Shorts from your PC step by step with examples and a few pro tips. If you've been creating vertical videos on your phone and wondering, can I upload these from my laptop or desktop? The answer is yes, and I'll walk you through the whole process. Stick around until the end because I'll also share how to make sure your shorts actually perform well and get noticed by the algorithm. Before we dive into the upload process, let's quickly clarify what counts as a YouTube short. YouTube shorts are vertical videos that are less than 60 seconds long. They must have a 9:16 aspect ratio, so shot vertically. You can upload them directly through the mobile app or from your computer as long as they follow the rules. YouTube recognizes a short either by its format and length, or if you add number shorts in the title or description that helps ensure it gets categorized correctly. Now let's go to the computer and I'll show you exactly how it's done. Step 1 is to make sure your short is ready. Whether you filmed it on your phone, use CapCut, Premiere Pro, or any editor, the final video should meet these specs. Resolution: 1080x 1920 pixels. Format: MP4 recommended. Duration: less than 60 seconds. Example: here's a short I made. It's 59 seconds long, shot vertically, and already edited. I exported it as an MP4 file and saved it to my desktop. Let's head over to YouTube and upload it. Now, let's upload this short using YouTube Studio. Step by step, go to youtube.com and click the camera icon on the top right, the one that says Create, Upload Video. Drag and drop your vertical video or click Select Files to upload. The upload screen will pop up. Here's how to fill it out. Title: add a catchy title plus include number shorts. For example, Best Pancake Hack, number shorts. Description: add a short description and relevant hashtags. Thumbnail: YouTube Shorts don't usually show thumbnails on mobile, but you can still upload one for desktop views. Audience: select yes, it's made for kids, or no, depending on your content. Tags: optional. You can add tags like shorts, funny, tips, etc. Click Next through all the steps. Visibility: choose either public, unlisted, or scheduled. If you want to test the video, start with unlisted. On-screen example: uploading a 59-second vertical video with number shorts in the title. On script, continued. Once everything looks good, just hit publish and boom, your short is now live. After uploading, you'll want to check if YouTube recognizes it as a short. Here's how. Open your video on YouTube. If it opens in the vertical shorts player, you're good. If it shows up as a regular video, check: is the video under 60 seconds? Is it vertical 9:16? Did you include number shorts in the title or description? Now let's make sure your short has the best chance to go viral. Here are a few tips. Hook in first 3 seconds. Grab attention fast. Add captions. Many people watch without sound. Use hashtags like number shorts, number how-to, or trending topics. Engaging thumbnail, optional but helps with desktop views. Post consistently. The more shorts you post, the better chance you have to gain momentum. Bonus tip: after publishing, check YouTube Analytics. Go to YouTube Studio, Content, Your Short, Analytics. Here, you can see how it's performing impressions, views, audience retention, etc. Let's cover some common problems people run into. It doesn't show as a short. Check the video dimensions, must be 9:16. Check the duration under 60 seconds. Add number shorts in the title or description. Blurry video quality. Export in 1080x 1920. Don't compress the video too much. Low views. Try posting at different times. Use better hooks and trending hashtags. Keep the viewer watching till the end. Retention is key. Let's quickly walk through uploading another short together so you see the full process again. Drag in a second video file. Title it Best Study Hack for Students, number shorts. Add a description. Set the audience. One set to public. Publish. That's it, simple, right? And that's how you upload YouTube Shorts from your PC the right way. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more YouTube tips, tutorials, and content creation hacks. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll answer as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.